How to check Amazon gift card balance without redeeming. In this video, I will guide you on how you can check Amazon gift card balance without redeeming. For this, open up any web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Now, to find out the Amazon gift card balance without redeeming, you actually have to contact the customer service. So you want to click on Accounts and List, then click on the Customer Service option. Now from these options, select Payments, Charge or Gift Card, then select Problem with a gift card. Now click on Redeem a gift card. Here, click on I need more help. Now, this page is going to appear. Here, you can either chat with the customer support or request a phone call. So it depends on your preference. I'm going to select Start Chatting Now. A box is going to appear, and here, first of all, you will be connected with a bot. Now, you want to keep saying, I need more help, and eventually they will connect you with a human agent. Once you are connected, you simply want to request the Amazon gift card balance. Then the customer support agent will be able to tell you the Amazon gift card balance that you're holding and not just the balance on your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.